Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a Bitget account in a very simple way. So first of all, let's go to the Apple Store or Play Store, and what you are going to do, go to the search button and type in Bitget. What I'm going to do here is to download the app on my phone and create an account, and this I'm typing Bitget. So we're going to download it and it's loading, so we can install it on your phone. So it will take some time or some minutes for it to download, and let's just have to wait for a second. So guys, before that, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So it's done, and let me open the app. Open it, and this is the Bitget app. It said Bitget would like to send you notification. In case you want notification, you can do allow. In case you don't, you say don't allow, but it's going to press allow. Welcome to Bitget. Trade on Bitget, trade smarter. So the next step you have to do is to press continue to take us to the next one. Continue. Allow Bitget to track activity across other companies. So I will do no. Deposit and trade to win. Okay, do cancel down there and sign up to get 6,200 USSDT. Now let's do get started. Welcome to Bitget. So they're saying you should type in it's either your email or mobile number. So what I'm going to do is to type in my email and password on this password site. So you're going to create a password, like it have to be 6 to 22 characters, at least a uppercase letter and number on it. You're going to choose any symbol you want there, either the $sign or hashtag or tagging one, anyone you want. And I have agreed to the terms and conditions. Good. And let's go over to create account, and this says select in this order. If you look at the right side, you're going to see how it is arranged. So you're going to select it like that. Over to the next one. You are almost there. Enter the 6-digit verification that was sent to your email. So you have to go to your email and get the pin and type it there. It's going to be 6 digits, and after doing that, you press submit. Facial recognition. Access your account easily when opening this app. So this make it easier for you to open your app, either using Face ID or fingerprints or password. So I'm going to enter my password and enable. So guys, your Bitget account is created. You can see it's very easy and very simple for you to do. In my next video guys, I'm going to show you how to verify your Bitget account in a very simple way. Claim your 6,200 USSDT worth of BTC welcome gift today. What you're going to do is just for you to claim it, your reward. So this is the reward center, and these are all the rewards you have to claim. So I'm going there after. The most important thing is for you to complete your identity verification before trading, and you have to complete your verification. I'm going to show you how to do that next. Without you doing this verification, you won't be able to carry out transaction or trade in Bitget. And in my next video guys, I'm going to show you how to verify your account, how to do your verification. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.